NAZ Bangladesh Ltd, a house of quality products. NAZ Bangladesh Ltd is one of the reputed composite knit factory in Bangladesh, established in 1987. It is the most beautiful place, where percentage of oxygen is more and carbon dioxide is very less, which is very good environment for sound health.
NAZ Bangladesh Ltd established in 1987. We got President Award from Bangladesh President for the third largest exporter from Bangladesh in 1990. Our target to be a leading textile exporter from Bangladesh by dint of our commitment, integrity, quality, and on time. We have been exporting our products to the American, European, and the Japanese buyer with their interests. Our yearly export volume is around 48 million US, which is continuing our growth. We are trying to establish a green factory to protect our nature. We are also trying to pay the maximum wages to our workers for their comfort, and we wish to continue the same for the coming year. Thank you.
It is located at Gazipur, 50 km away from Dhaka city, surrounded by forest and other natural scenario. Knitting section. NAZ has total 80 knitting machines of world-renowned brands like Meyer and C, Orizio, and Fukuhara, which production capacity is 25 tons per day. We can produce jersey, PK, fleece, interlock, reel, jacket mesh, waffle, Lacoste, herringbone, French terry, flat back reel in different blends like 100% cotton and elastic, viscose, modal, CBC, PC, TC, 100% polyester. NAZ has also flat knit machine, collar, cuff and waistband with light for attachment and jacket function. Dyeing section. We have the state-of-art lab dyeing facility to prepare the lab tip and to check the physical properties of the finished fabric before delivery. NAZ has dyeing machine with PLC control, which is fully automatic soft-flow dyeing machine, followed by a very sophisticated finishing range, process, wet finishing and dry finishing range to ensure the right quality conforming to the buyer's requirement. ETP plant. Dye house generated effluent is treated in a biological effluent treatment plant where we remove BOD, COD and color removal. The discharge effluent having a pH of 7 to 8 where DO levels are maintained 4.5 and above. CAD department. To get the better yield, we're using Electro software and NAZ 30 plotter to make marker and pattern. Sample section. NAZ has equipped with sample section to provide the development and production sample to the buyer with their entire satisfaction. Cutting section. NAZ has automatic laying machine to spread fabric evenly to get better quality and also equipped by highly trained and professional staff. Printing and embroidery. NAZ has in-house facility for printing and embroidery to cater the services to our valued customers. It helps to avoid the quality problem and minimize the delivery lead time. Sewing section. NAZ has more than 1200 latest computerized automatic sewing machine to get better stitching quality, having production capacity of 56,000 pieces per day. NZ Accessories Limited. NAZ has also modern accessories unit, which is being produced almost all kind of trims with use of ready-made garments, which can help to minimize the delivery lead time.
আমার নাম মোহাম্মদ সবুজ। আমি NAZ বাংলাদেশে দীর্ঘ 3 বছর যাবত ফিনিশিং ফোল্ডিং ম্যান হিসেবে কাজ করতেছি। আমাদের এই কোম্পানি এখানে নানান ধরনের সুযোগ সুবিধা দেয়। কোম্পানি যাতায়াতের গাড়ির ব্যবস্থা আছে। আমাদের 6 তারিখে বেতন দেয় এবং মাসে 500 টাকা হাজিরা বোনাস। আমাদের কোম্পানি খুবই ভালো।
We have double capacity to produce electricity than the present demand. Fire drill. To save lives and wealth from fire attack, we perform fire drill and training program in regular basis. In that way, we can ensure 100% safety to the workers as well as the factory is maintained. NAZ has been maintaining healthcare and daycare center for its employees and their children.